our channel today we're gonna see a festival recipe of Onam. Onam, which is hugely celebrated in Kerala state. So on the Onam they do have a traditional dessert called Adapradaman. We're gonna see the recipe of Adapradaman. Raw materials which we'll be using for an Adapradaman: rice ada, ghee, cashew nuts, raisins, and small pieces of cut coconut, fresh coconut, and dry ginger and cardamom powder ground together. The main part of this recipe is jaggery and coconut milk. First extraction of coconut milk and the second extraction of coconut milk. Heat a pan. On the first process, we're gonna cook that ada. So heat the pan, add water. This water is to cook rice ada. Simultaneously, we'll take another pan and we will gonna add 600 grams of jaggery in it. Add a little bit of water. Let's jaggery get melts. While water is boiling, then pour your ada into boiling water. The process is similar to your steamed rice. How we are making steamed rice at home in the water, the same process. On the other side, the jaggery is getting melted. You can see the consistency of jaggery is getting melted. See, after 12 minutes of time, the ada has got boiled. Normally ada depends on the size. It takes minimum 10 to 15 minutes to get cooked. For the time to strain the ada, after straining this ada, then it should be boiled in a water. Let the starch completely goes off from the ada. That's after washing. So I'm gonna transfer it to one bowl. Now jaggery is completely got melted and caramelized. Now I'm transferring this jaggery to one strainer to strain, because normally jaggery contains a lot of dust, other stuff. So I'm transferring to one strainer. Make sure that jaggery is completely strained. So I'm gonna add 2 tablespoons of ghee in jaggery. Let's stir. You're gonna find a nice aroma into it. Then I'll be adding this so you should keep stirring it. Ensure the ada should be cooked before it's getting into jaggery. If ada is not cooked, then it will not be get cooked inside the sugar level. After 10 minutes of cooking ada into jaggery, I'm gonna add first extraction of coconut milk. So we have taken 2 extractions. First extraction I'm gonna add initially. If you can't able to make a fresh coconut milk, you can take the canned one also. You can replace it with the canned one. But the fresh coconut milk gives much better flavor than the canned one. So keep stirring. So since we have added the coconut milk, it gets thickening up in some time. Now you can see the consistency just become thicker after 10 minutes of time. Then add your second extraction of milk. Ensure, please keep stirring. Just parallelly I'm gonna take another pan. Parallelly, I'm gonna other pan and taking 2 spoons of ghee. And adding 3 spoons of chopped coconut, fresh chopped coconut. I'm gonna roast it golden brown. The coconut which should be bright golden brown in color. In the same pan, adding 1 more spoon of ghee, tablespoon of ghee, and I'm gonna roast cashew nuts. Brown. The cashew nuts completely a golden brown color. Time is to roast and raisins. So I'm taking another 50 grams of raisins. Roasting it fluffily. On the other side, stirred cardamom and dry ginger powder. 1 teaspoon of it. So the raisins are completely puffed up and looks really beautiful. Ghee in Adapradaman. I'm going to add 2 spoons of ghee in Adapradaman, which is ready. I'm going to add roasted coconut, and the roasted cashew nut, and the raisins. So the delicious Adapradaman is ready. It looks so yummy. The color, the texture is perfectly which has come out. Now you can serve this Adapradaman in a warm, or you can keep it in the refrigerator. You can serve it cold as well. So I'm gonna garnish it with cashew nuts. And raisins. And with roasted coconut. So here you go, you have delicious Adapradaman is ready. Thanks for watching. Hope everyone have enjoyed this video of making Adapradaman. Happy Onam everyone. I request all you to like, comment, subscribe and click the bell icon. Thank you.